Tourists come to Flinders Island to revive. We want you to allow yourself to breathe. Be truly looked after by Wendy, a Flinders Island local. Explore the island's flavours. Enjoy a full breakfast prepared fresh from the garden. There are bespoke pieces from our island's artists, sculptors, jewellers and furniture makers. Sit in front of a fire, get a book from our library that tells the stories of the Furno Islands. Perhaps take part in an intimate and relaxed cooking class and savour some of the world's best produce. This is Cooma House, Flinders Island, Bass Strait.